how would you kids like to test out new experimental rocket ships?
We'd prefer the children not test out new experimental rocket ships.
Well, no bother. I'm sure I can think of something else for you to do.
Okay, audience, you see your choices, 1, 2, or 3. You decide what the kids have to do for Mr. Gooch.
No, we're gonna get it.
Okay, that's it. Votes are in.
All right, so we're gonna go back to the scene. Sir Gooch is gonna have a new line.
And let's go back to the scene.
Action! Eureka! You could work as test kids for the Gooch Corp laundry business. But first, you're gonna have to pass my test, which I call the human washing machine.
How did you fit this in the elevator?
You see, when you have a lot of money, you get to buy weird stuff like this.
I don't remember ever expressing interest in having a job.
If it's laundry day, we need some laundry. Up, coming in. Up, there we go.
Please tell me this underwear is supposed to be striped.
Let's start scrubbing.
Okay.
Oh, now we're getting some steam. Now we're getting some bubbles.
I'm just trying to pretend it's just a spa. It smells like I'm in a fart bag.
I think we need to go up to spin cycle. Let's have some more action here.
Cycle.
There we go.
That is healthy.
How did it get dirty?
Turns out I hate having a job. No surprise there.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's about it for the laundry. Good job.
For more like this, tune into Disney Channel.